लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा हमारे इस चैनल Animakids को।
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Children, I am your new teacher Bisma. Today I will tell you how to write a letter, so let's start. So first of all, don't forget to write the date and the address. If you don't know how to write address and date, you can see on screen. Next, let's write letter. So listen carefully and understand. Dear Asif, I hope this letter finds you in the best of spirits. When I visited you last week, you seemed a bit desperate. Come on, boy, you should thank God for giving you a fresh lease of life. I talked to your doctor this morning, and he told me that you are now out of danger. You will have to remain in the hospital for a few more days, but that is not something you should be concerned about. Don't forget that life is a mixture of joys and sorrows. By the way, all of us have decided to celebrate your recovery. We will be throwing a small party the day you come back home from hospital. See you soon. Kind regards, Sorry. In this letter, one boy is inviting to his friend for a party and telling that his doctor said he's out of danger. You can also write a letter like this. It's simple. First of all, write date and address. Second, ask him or her about him or her health. And then 3. Write anything you want to say. 4. In the end of letter, say salam and your name. So, I hope you understand how to write letter. Don't forget to practice it in home. So, bye bye kids.